Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can remove Temu minimum spend limit. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Temu. So open Temu and log into your account. Once you done that, you simply need to click on U in the bottom and you simply need to click on this icon. And once you are on the support page, you simply need to click on contact us. Okay, and here you need to write remove my minimum spend limit. Then you need to send, wait for a few seconds. So here you can see that you click on yes, I would like to add more products. You can select continue after adding more desired products to your cart. Thank you for working with us. So now you can add more products and your minimum spend limit is now removed. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.